Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a reputable VPN provider and confirming it operates where you need it. Privacy policy matters. Once chosen, create your account, subscribe, and install the app on the device you'll use. Make sure to enable the kill switch and set the VPN to start automatically. This prevents leaks when you reboot. Also confirm your payment and device limits so you don't lose access. Now open the app and sign in so you're ready for connection selection in the next step. You now select a protocol, WireGuard or OpenVPN, for the balance of speed and security, and then choose a server location that matches the content you want to access. If the provider offers specialty servers for streaming or P2P, pick that option. Next, enable DNS leak protection and disable IP6 to avoid accidental leaks. If you need certain apps outside the VPN, configure split tunneling. Once done, connect and confirm the app shows an active secure tunnel and a new IP from your chosen country. You finish by verifying access. Clear your browser cache and cookies, open a private window, and test an IP/DNS check to confirm the VPN is handling traffic. Then attempt to load the restricted site. If it works, bookmark and maintain session security by updating the app and renewing the subscription. If access fails, switch servers or protocols, enable obfuscation or stealth mode, and retry. If problems persist, contact provider support. Most can suggest a working server or advanced settings to bypass blocks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.